Hello and welcome to my channel Arabic with me, Rana. In this video we are going to learn 4 more verbs of this series, the verbs in spoken Arabic. So let's begin. I will conjugate all of them as usual, and this is the present tense playlist. Pay attention, it's the present tense and it's the spoken Arabic. It's not the standard one, the spoken one. So let's begin from the very first one, which is to think, like literally to think about something, like I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking about the subject, etc. So I would just say فكر فكر فكر. And of course, as you know, it's the root of the verb. So فكر is the root of the verb. So let's conjugate it in the present tense. First is أنا بفكر هو بيفكر هي بتفكر هن بيفكروا انت بتفكر انتي بتفكري انتو بتفكروا. And the last one is نحنا منفكر or بنفكر. This is the very first verb in this video, which means to think about something, not just the opinion. No, it does not mean the opinion. The opinion verb is another one, is the next one in this video. And the opinion, like giving the opinion, I think this house is beautiful. I think I'm going to go with you to that picnic. I think. So I think as an opinion, I'm not thinking about it. So in this case, I think that so thinking when it comes to the opinion, it means ظن. And of course it's the va, but we don't really pronounce it. We use it as a heavy z. So it's ظن. So if I'm going to conjugate it in the present tense, then it is أنا بظن هو بيظن هي بتظن هن بيظنوا أنت بتظن أنتي بتظني and أنتو بتظنوا. And the last one is نحنا منظن or نحنا بنظن. This is to think as an opinion. The third one in this video is going to be to wear clothes. So it's gonna be لبس is to wear. لبس is the root and the conjugations are أنا بلبس هو بيلبس هي بتلبس هن بيلبسوا أنت بتلبس أنتي بتلبسي and أنتو بتلبسوا. And the last one is نحنا منلبس or بنلبس. This is to wear, to put on the clothes. And now how to take off my jacket, for example. I will say شلح is the root, so I would just say أنا بشلح هو بيشلح هي بتشلح هن بيشلحوا and then أنت بتشلح أنتي بتشلحي أنتو بتشلحوا. And the last one is نحنا, which is we, and نحنا بنشلح or منشلح. This is to take off. So I will give you some examples. بظن most of the times بظن will come with إنه means that. بظن إنه هيدا البيت حلو. I think that this house is beautiful, is nice. The second example is أنا بفكر كتير. I think so much, so my head is really heavy. I think too much. I have so many ideas in my head, in my mind. This is the second. The third example is بلبس. أنا بلبس الجاكيت, which is the jacket. أنا بلبس الجاكيت or أنا بشلح الجاكيت. I take off the jacket. So these are the verbs for this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, please comment below and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in next videos. Bye!